Bonjour qui bienvenue, hello and welcome. In this video lesson, we will learn French numbers, les nombres en français. So let's get started. So how would you say one in French? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Before moving further, let's repeat one more time. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Now let's do counting from 11 to 20. How would you say 11 in French? Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, 20. As you can see, the numbers from 17 to 19 are pretty simple because it is a combination of 10 and 7. This set 10 and 7, this with 10 and 8, this with and this neuf, meaning 10 and 9. In French, these are commonly used numbers. If you manage to remember counting from 1 to 20, you are more likely to remember any number in French. Now let's do counting from 11 to 20 one more time. Onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, 20. So keep on practicing all these to memorize them properly. It will help you to recognize the numbers in French. That's all about today. Hope to see you soon. A bientôt. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more amazing videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and keep learning.